Hey guys, it's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. It's a new day. Welcome to part 4 of my piece of crap Ltv10 Varidrive Craftsman lawn tractor I got for free from Center Mauritius. From episode 3, you guys will know that I actually started up this engine. That's right. Engine works and runs well. Carburetor was cleaned. However, the needle's bad, you know. Remember that fat little stubby needle with the rubber tip? It had molded the hole, like the needle was inside the fuel hole for 8 years. So it had made a little ring around the tip of that rubber thing. After it soaked for a bit in gas for about 3 days, it looked like that it swelled back out, you know, so that there was no ring around it, you know. But, you know, over time, it probably snapped back into shape again after the gas, dried out a little bit. So I ordered a new needle. It was only like $2 on eBay. So I'll get that needle fixed. Also, one of my followers, Ryan Ware, he noticed the Welsh plug missing on the very bottom. I also noticed that too, but I didn't know whether or not that would make a huge difference. But I'll see if I can get a Welsh plug back on there. One of the other concerns of my tractor here on whether or not the decision to restore it or fix it was the drag link over here. On this particular model, it's just one side. So this one drag link moves this pinion over here, rack and pinion, suspension area, and has a rod that connects to the other side, which allows that side to turn. Well, I had a wheel over here that had the old tire that was off the bead. I tried putting that on and it's just no way. That tire is just too far gone, you know. But luckily I have actually another tire from another tractor that works, and it's fits right on there. But before I did that, this shaft here to the suspension was fused inside, was seized, rust and everything. So last night I blew PB Blaster penetrating oil into these areas there, and then today I banged it. I banged here, I banged there, banged the other side, just to get it to move, you know what I'm saying? So then I took this huge crowbar and I put it around here, and the longer the crowbar, the more leverage you get. Look what I'm getting. It's moving. It's slightly moving. So look, if I just work this back and forth a few times, I bet you I'm going to get this moving again. Here, look, and then you can go and you can do this. Look, see? It's moving. I don't want to overdo it, because when you overdo it, you could snap something. So I'm just going to work it back and forth for a while. Ooh, look at that. That really moved. See? It's already getting looser. Yeah. See that? Oh, that's nice. Oh, yeah. What a workout. I'm able to come out here and work because my doggy is actually calming down now. He doesn't have to be near me every second of the day, you know? He knows that I'm out here, so he just sits there. Well, this tire, turns out that it doesn't fit. I mean, it goes on there, but because this tire is thicker, it rubs on this part here, so it won't allow me to push it in enough to get the C-clamp on there, or E-clamp. So I'm gonna have to try to fix that other one. I got my John Deere RX-75 front tire on, just temporarily. I think it's too small and the deck will rub on the ground. So in the meantime, I'm trying to put that on the bead. Tall order. So I thought I was about to get this on the bead, but I know why no air was going in. This rim is rusted through. No air's gonna go in. Retarded! The doggy's getting some sun. I'm gonna try to fill those 2 holes with this with a welder. I'm not the best welder in the world, so that didn't work out. I'm just gonna go find another rim. I took that old rim off of this old one. This was off my Scots. Remember that guy? He was spiteful, so he slashed his tires so nobody could benefit from it. Well, I benefited from it. I took his rim, put it on this, got it on the bead, took some doing. It was actually kind of interesting. It's dry rotted, so it's leaking. I'm gonna shoot some, what's that called? You know, fix-a-flat in there, because it's low. Maybe it'll seal. Alright. Well, I got that wheel on. I think I overinflated it though, because it's touching, scraping. I'll let it leak a little. This one seems good, see? I'm amazed that this thing holds air, you know what I'm saying? Amazed. Anyway, so what I'm thinking now is this. Now this thing kind of see, moves. So I've got this ball there, and I've got this shaft there. And I found this thing in the back. If I jig that going there, right, and then attach this with some kind of clamp or something. What do you guys think? Maybe I weld it on there. Think that'll work. This is I don't know what that is. It's a part off of my RX-75. What do you guys think? That'll work. If I weld this on there, get this in the hole somehow. I don't know how I'm going to get in the hole. Or clamp that. This shit's going to get in the way. Might get in the way of the belt. I definitely can't find this drag link online. If you guys can find this drag link online, it'd be great. Well, this is what I got. A couple of hose clamps onto that tie rod looking thing. Bent it over there. Let's see how this works. If it could just steer a little bit for now, I'm pretty happy. What? Oh, it's getting kind of caught over here. Alright, well, it needs some working out, but you know what, man? What's going on? It steers, right? If this works out, I'll weld it all together. Should be good, rudimentary fix. Just to get it moving around, you know what I'm saying? While I get this thing going. Hey, it's a work in progress, but you know what, man? Ingenuity, some parts and stuff. Right, Boba? Gonna wait for that needle to come, fix that carburetor, put a wash plug on there, get that stuff sorted out, and maybe we'll get this baby running, moving, steering. It's a work in progress, guys. Stay tuned for part 5 of my LTV10 fix. See you guys next time.